Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, a daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, Abn Amro issues an EU digital bond on Polygon holders. Look, here I come in 3, 2, 1. Bang! Welcome everybody. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. Welcome. My name is Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. You're about to witness the greatest show on earth. The greatest show in the multiverse. Bang! On this show here, we got Abn Amro issues an EU digital bond on Polygon. So Polygon holders, this is what you want to see. You want to see your blockchain being used by big names, big names. So let's get right into it. Let's not waste any time. Look, Polygon hoodlers. Bang. All right, everybody. So look. Oh, yeah. Take a look. Take a good daggone Take a good look, mother. All right. Look, Abn Amro issues a €5 million digital green bond through Polygon-powered Tokeny. So look, the Dutch bank used Tokeny platform to issue and manage digital green bonds operating on Polygon's Layer 2 Ethereum protocol. Let's check it out. And this is what you want to see. You want to see your blockchain that you're invested in being actually used, not just on a website and a bunch of nerds talking about our blockchain has this and that. Yeah, but no one's using it. But no one's using it. It's like building a house and no one lives there. Well, fuck. It's just a bunch of wood and a roof, right? It has no use. You want happy children, running around in it, wives and kids and husbands. And look, Dutch bank Abn Amro has carried out a digital green bond offering that made use of Polygon's Layer 2 Ethereum scaling technology to raise 5 million euros. Look, Polygon holders. Bang! Bang! Yes. The green bond was issued as an ERC 3643 token through Tokeny, an infrastructure platform that uses Polygon to allow financial institutions to issue and manage securities and financial instruments. Abn Amro was able to secure 5 million euros in funding for real estate investor Vesteda. According to the bank, Vesteda intends to use the funding to refinance green assets as part of the company's green finance framework. All right. So green bonds are a means to raise funds that are used to invest in projects or companies that are sustainable and have a positive environmental impact. Right now, everything is about sustainability, right? Everyone's getting sick and tired of, dirty oil and dirty coal and all that. Right? We want green now, green. So Abn Amro laid out further details of the green bond, which saw Deca Bank take ownership of tokens representing its €5 million investment after payments was made. The bank makes use of Fireblocks to manage private keys to the digital bond. So look, Abn Amro has previously, explored digital bond issuance, including purchased and reselling a digital bond from the European Investment Bank, the EIB. The bank's head of debt capital markets, Olivier Artsen, said Abn Amro aims to support multiple digital bond offerings in the future. Bang! And so again, we see they test the waters. These big institutions test the waters, but once it works, all right, well, we're going to keep churning it up. Right? We're going to keep serving the chicken. Right? In life, you get the chicken. Sometimes you get the feathers. Once you see something works, well, I'm going to keep serving this chicken if people want it. It's like opening a restaurant. I guess I got some tasty chicken here. I'm going to just keep serving it. I guess, the public has spoken. It works. People liked it. They bought into it. Well, I'm going to serve up some more daggone chicken over in this motherfucker, right? And so that's what, obviously, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Keep serving more. All right, put some more batter on it. Let's fry it up. Let's serve it. Okay, so look, settle down, everybody. Settle down. You're having too much fun now. Now you're having too much fun. Settle down. Settle down now. All right. The bank's head of debt capital markets. You're the one having fun. Look, the bank's head of debt capital markets, Olivier Artsen, said Abn Amro's aim to supply multiple digital bond offering in the future. This is what we're talking about. That's your mass adoption. Soccer mom and dad buying a fucking coffee with Bitcoin is not mass adoption and is never, ever, ever going to happen. People are not going to wake up one day and magically go, Sweetie, wake up. We need to buy Bitcoin. Why, honey? Because I need to buy coffee. Well, just use my debit card. Go to Starbucks and get my debit. No, honey, but we need to pay it with Bitcoin. No one's going to do that. You'd be an idiot, first of all, to waste your Bitcoin on coffee. And second of all, just that's retarded. Stupid. It's never going to happen. It's ridiculous, really. But what they will do, we've talked about the 401k. We've already talked about Fidelity offering the 401ks with Bitcoin. Look. That's going to be worldwide. That's your mass adoption, right? Mass adoption was when all these funds and banks and everyone are hodling this, not just the Bitcoin, but everything. Your VeChains, your IOTAs, your Stellars, your Singularity Nets, this one here that we're talking, Polygon, your Matic. Look, Mayor of Matic, you know what I'm talking about, Mayor. Bang! Right? That's what we're talking about. That's mass adoption. Right? Adoption means when people start investing in this stuff. Right? That's mass adoption. Mass adoption, this fantasy crypto nerds have of, yeah, man, people are going to buy Litecoin and go buy pizza slices with it. You think you're too small, fuckstick. You think you're too small. Too micro. That's macro. Sorry. That's micro. That's nano. Got to think big, right? When Bitcoin is in everyone's 401k. Yeah, now you're talking adoption, motherfucker. Now you're talking. Now you're making me, Now you got my attention as a market guy. Okay, so ABN Amro's digital asset lead, Martin Seabrand, added that using the ERC 3643 standard allowed the bank to embed compliance rules into digital bonds. Bang! You know that the compliance rules came out in Europe. It's called the MiCA regs, MiCA, Markets and Crypto Assets Regulations, came out January 1st this year. And actually, so did China, came out January 1st. Not January, June 1st this year, June 1st this year, MiCA regs came out, and the Chinese came on board the exact same day, actually, and and so they've got all the rules for crypto, right? Crypto is completely legal in Europe now and China, well, Hong Kong, but that's China. Let's get real. The mainland Chinese will be investing, their money over there in Hong Kong. And so, you have to be compliant. You have to be FATF compliant, FATF, Financial Action Task Force compliant. First of all, that's the global regime that controls our world. Everybody in the world, every country in the world is FATF compliant. Even America. Yes, we even have to bow down. Even Uncle Sam has to bow down to FATF. The Iranians, the Chinese, everybody is FATF compliant. Even the Russians. They might be killing people over there, but they're FATF compliant. And so that's why they said that they use the special ERC 3643 standard so that they're compliant. So they can embed the compliance within this product here, these digital bonds. They can even seamlessly and compliantly interact with other applications on the public network, thanks to native interoperability. Mainstream financial institutions are increasingly making use of blockchain technology. Let's bang that. Bang! to issue and manage digital bond offering in a number of different use cases. See, we talked about this before. Nobody gives a fuck what technology you have in your blockchain. Does it work? Does it work? Is it safe? Is it secure? Is it compliant? That's what's going to make a successful company. That's what makes a distributed ledger technology service provider valuable and what I call investment grade, right? Investment grade. So Siemens grabbed headlines in February 2023 as it launched a $64 million digital bond that drew direct investment from DZ Bank, and Union Investment. So you see these banks are already starting to play around with each other. Just little offerings, but they're just playing. Not playing, but just testing the waters. Okay, this works. This is all right. Right? That's what you need. You need them to get comfortable with this, with the concept of, digitizing stuff and having things on a blockchain and public keys and private keys and all that. It's new, right? It's all new, right? The traditional markets, it's just, stocks, bonds, forex. It's pretty simple. And then you get into the esoteric derivative stuff, but it's basic: stocks, bonds, forex. Now you have a whole new asset class called digital assets. These tokenized public blockchains. They got to get their head around it. Like, how can I keep it safe? If it's public, can people see what I'm doing? Da-da-da. Hey, settle down. It's good. Right? So they're all dabbling now. Meanwhile, the European Investment Bank issued a unique blockchain-based digital bond, in June 2023, powered by environmentally incentivized node infrastructure. The Europeans are obviously pushing green big time. And especially since the war with Russia, when Russia cut them off the gas and the oil, now they fucking aren't playing games for real. They're going to build windmills and solar farms everywhere, right? What if the Saudis cut you off and the Russians? Now you're fucked. That's not true. Do you know that America is the biggest oil producer in the world? Yeah, I bet you didn't know that. Google that. You think I'm kidding? Yeah, we're the biggest. So obviously we'd bail out our European brothers, but look, you don't want to have to be bailed out. So, all right. So the $1 billion Swedish krona, $89.5 million bond is set to offer a 3.638 fixed rate over 2 years to institutional investors. The platform underpinning the EIB's digital bond was developed in a joint project, including Skandinavska, Enskilda Banken, and Credit Agricole CIB. So, bond is intended to be used to issue, trade, and settle bonds digitally. So, bang! Look! Polygon hodlers! Bang! 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 Another Polygon onboarding. Well, a use case. In other words, they used it. I don't know if they're going to... and if it works once, let me put it this way. If they've issued this bond and they're happy with it, especially with the compliance rules that they get to tuck into with the FATF, the MICA regs, and have it all compliant. Well, why don't we use Polygon again and issue more and more and more of them? And they said that they plan to issue more of them. They didn't say on Polygon, but, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? Well, I guess it's really on this thing called Tokeny, which is on the Polygon blockchain. So I guess that was what you'd call part of the Polygon ecosystem, right? It's one of the ecosystem blockchains. And so this is great for Polygon hodlers, great for crypto in general, because people are actually using the blockchain, seeing its use, and loving it. Now, bang, let's get back to the Death Star. Bang, welcome back, everybody. So this is great. This is great for Polygon hodlers and crypto in general. Again, another major financial institution, and as we read, a few other financial institutions already using blockchain and this is the bond market now, so these are for bonds, and they're liking it. They're loving it, want to get some more of it, right? I like it. I love it. I want some more of it, right? That's a country song here in America. Well, that's what they're saying right now. Over in Europe, all those banksters are dancing. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. And you're going to get more, boy. Bang. Bang. Yes. Bang. And we want them to. We want them to like it, love it, and want more of it. And so here they come. And again, though, on a serious note, though, what is so great about this is they can embed the compliance right in it, right? They can embed the compliance in the right in the bond digitally through the all the tech nerd stuff that they do. And so this is great. And so yeah, this is great, and especially Polygon hodlers. Bang! I mean, this is great for you. This shows that Polygon is a useful blockchain, secure, efficient, and with that ERC 4336 token or whatever they said whatever the number was, You can embed in compliance right in it, and it don't get no better than that, boy. So look, on that note, let's chill it and kill it. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Bang, subscribe below and press the bell. You get an automatic notification when I do this show. The greatest show on earth, greatest show in the multiverse. Look, my name's Shomari Clarke, and I love talking money. Bang, and I love talking crypto. Bang, this is the favorite time of my day. So look, thanks for having me in your home, and I'll see you all next time for another fun fact-filled day of crypto talk. But until then, subscribe here and press the bell. Also press the thumbs up button. Watch that video over there and get your mind right. And I'll see you all next time. My name is Shomari Clarke, always watching on money, and lucky for you, I am always on duty. Look, this is Shomari Clarke. Bye. Love you guys. Over and out.